Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Lava phone camera setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys camera timer setting, how to set camera timer, how to set photo click time in Lava mobile. Friends, you want to set guys your camera timer, so how to set camera timer one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Lava phone camera. After on camera, friends, you want to use night mode camera setting. Friends, you want to take photo in night mode, so friends you can take photo in night mode. And friends, if you click right side friends, more option friends, you can use slow motion video, panorama camera setting, pro mode camera setting, time lapse video friends, you can start and you can use it. So friends, click here setting icon right side, and friends you can see setting icon, self timer. Friends, click here self timer, and friends click here and 2 second timer you want to use. Friends, watermark you want to off, you want to off your sound, you can off, you can on from here. And friends, we will set guys 2 second timer. Friends, you can see after 2 seconds photo will click automatic. 1 2. And friends, you want to increase your camera timer, so friends you have guys only two options, 10 seconds. Click here, and friends now we will take this flower. Friends, click here, and friends you can see 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Photo click. Tick. So friends, you are in family, and friends you want to take photo with family, so friends direct click here, click as timer, and friends if you have timer direct friends you can click photo. So friends, you want to take photo in timer, so click here self timer. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Photo click. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set camera timer on Lava mobile. And friends, you don't want to use camera timer, so friends right click here setting, and friends off your camera timer, and friends you can see a direct friends we can take photo without timer. And friends, you want to on camera sound, you want to on camera watermark, picture size friends you want to change, so you can change picture size from here. Click here picture size, and friends you can change picture size from here. 30 mm, 12 mm, 7 mm you can change from here. Bye friends.